Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cash Crunch Games and I hope all is well with you. So money tip. A lot of the times it's very hard to actually start a conversation about money, never mind talk about money. And if you start talking to a kid quite often about money, they start thinking it's a bit of a lecture. But hey, how about this? Pick a game, Monopoly, Cash Crunch Junior, any other card game, or get them to do an activity based around money, counting money out, making change, going in the supermarket, finding products under a certain amount, see if you can get them to save money. All those kind of things are experiences that make that child an expert. And when you make a child an expert, you can't shut them up, and they're willing to tell you everything. And guess what? You start the conversation by talking to them about, hey, what do you know about this? Hey, what have you learnt about that? What's your opinion on this? They will tell you. And there you can start discussing what they've learnt and then build on to that without actually being a lecture, more of a conversation. Anyway, have a good one. Check out cashcrunchgames.com for more resources, and I will see you soon. Bye now.